Hey, Middle School Honors Academy, students and families, Mr. Graham here with a quick announcement. Sorry you're looking at a slideshow within a slideshow right now. I had to pre-record this because I could not be at 3 places at one time. A couple things I want to touch base on. Attendance. You need to make sure every student is logging to Schoology every day and they're attending their virtual classes as regularly as possible. Your teachers truly love to see you there. On Wednesdays, although there are no live Zooms on Wednesdays, Wednesdays are a great day to check in with your teachers. Make sure you're sending them Schoology messages or emails to schedule time to check in one-on-one via Zoom to get any extra help. Also on Wednesdays, there is academic work in each of your Schoology classes to access through Schoology. Attendance is within a 7-day window, and after that, the absent unexcused does stick. So if you miss a Zoom one day, that's okay. Just make sure you're going on and accessing the work your teacher has for you. Within 1 week, your teacher will update your attendance to PA or present asynchronous. Zoom. This is important. I'm going to ask that all Middle School Honors Academy students go to zoom.us/sign-up and create a Zoom account with their first name, last name at students.christina.k12.de.us email, setting their own password. This is because here we're going to update our security in the coming weeks, and we really need all students to be accessing Zoom with a district email. This will severely cut down on any access issues or name display problems. Right now, you can click on Zoom, set your display name, and go to class. But once you have your own account, it will help you get into class and switch classes much easier. Additionally, please make sure you have your first name and your last name displayed at all times. Lastly, because I want to give your teachers time to talk with you, if you need anything from me, I'm the coordinator. I'm here to help you throughout this virtual process and future. You can message me on Schoology. On Schoology, my name is Bobby Graham, or you can send me an email. My email is robert.graham@christina.k12.de.us. Reach out if you have any questions, concerns. I'm here to help. Have a great open house. I hope to see you soon.